Are you ready for filing season? What you need to do before this filing season. Don't let it sneak up on you. Here's a checklist to make sure you're good to go. First, gather all your necessary documents. Tax certificates, which are IRP5s or IT3As, medical tax certificates, retirement annuity certificates, a logbook if you receive a travel allowance. Next, update your security contact details with SARS, which is your email address and your cell phone number. This is to help you with your critical updates of your registered details, including reset of your password. The one-time PIN is sent to these details. To update the security contact details, go to My Profile and then Profile and Preference Setup. Under Security Contact Details, update your email address and your cell phone number, and then click on Update and Save. You will then be sent a one-time PIN via your preferred means of contact. Capture the last 6 digits on your one-time PIN and click on Submit. E-filing now offers express access to update banking details before the filing season starts with minimum clicks. The new Express Access also provides quick and easy access to your current income tax return, as well as quick access to your previous year's return. Our SARS online system and e-filing are available 24/7. Stay updated on new features before this filing season. SARS at your service.